Welcome to our review of the Blissun Christmas Tree Stand, designed for artificial trees up to 8 feet tall. Made from powder-coated heavy-duty metal and thick plastic, this stand offers sturdy and reliable support. It features a 21.3-inch leg span and 3 adjustable sizes to fit tree trunks from 3/4 inch to 1¼ inch. Assembly is quick and simple, with removable legs for easy storage after the holidays. Its modern design provides a clean look that eliminates the need for a tree collar or skirt. Perfect for homes, offices, restaurants, or cafes, this stand combines style and functionality. Keep your Christmas tree stable and beautifully displayed this season with the Blissun Tree Stand. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.